Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix promo code not working on Stockx.com. So to start with this video, I will show you exactly where the promo code should be pasted. Then I'm going to show you the solutions for it. So once you go and log into your account, as I will be showing you right here, you'll be needed to go ahead and buy a product. So let's try to buy a random product that will be a fan of us. So I'm gonna go with this Nike Air Force One, and basically the promo code is not gonna be on the product page. It is gonna be into the checkout, more into the checkout. So you need to go through all the process from adding your basically payment method, etc., and it will be into the checkout. Now the promo code, the guys. Before we get into the checkout, even you need to understand that they could be unavailable anymore. So try to check always if the promo code is actually still available. How to do that? That's what I'm going to show you later on in the part 2 of this video. So here, as you will be seeing, this is the product page, and basically right here is where you should put the discount code. So click on add, and this should apply the promo code already for you. Now if you had already applied a promo code on your account, you should know that the promo code cannot be applied more than once inside of your account, or depending on the code itself. If they had the option to apply it on multiple times, then this could be an option. The second thing to do is to check if the actual basically promo code is still available. You can do it by going to stockx.com/help/home, and you can simply just write them here your question and press, for example, is this promo code still available, and they will check it for you and try to answer you back. In case it wasn't, ask them for any new promo code if it is available, or try to use extensions like Honey. This should fix the issue for you. They give you random or basically other promo codes that are available in the moment. And yeah, that was it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.